Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your app development with Firebase, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your app development with Firebase, start by creating a Firebase project in the Firebase console. Sign into your Google account and navigate to the Firebase website. Click on Get Started to access the Firebase console. Select Add Project and enter a name for your project. Choose whether to enable Google Analytics for your project, then click Create Project. Once your project is created, navigate to the Authentication tab on the left sidebar. Click Get Started to set up user authentication. Choose the sign-in method you want to enable for your app, such as email/password or social providers. After setting up authentication, head to the Firestore database section. Create a new database and set the security rules. Start with the test mode to familiarize yourself. Next, install the Firebase SDK in your app using the appropriate package manager. If you're using JavaScript, run npm install Firebase. Initialize Firebase in your app by including your configuration details. Make sure to add appropriate error handling for user authentication. Implement role-based access control by defining user roles in your Firestore database. In your security rules, specify access levels for different roles. Always validate data on the client side before sending it to Firestore. For sensitive data, consider using Firebase Cloud Functions to handle server-side logic. Enable Firebase hosting if you plan to host a web app. Use HTTPS to ensure secure data transmission between your app and the Firebase services. Regularly audit your Firebase security rules via the Firebase console. Stay updated with Firebase's best practices for security and implement them as needed. Test your app thoroughly before deploying to catch any security vulnerabilities. Monitor your app's performance and security through the Firebase console logs. Implement two-factor authentication for added security where applicable. Utilize Firebase's built-in analytics to track user behavior and identify potential security issues. Once everything is set up and tested, launch your app securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel